Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows 10 startup lock screen is blurry. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click System. Right-click, New, DWORD 32-bit value. Type Disable, Acrylic, Background, On, Log On. Change value data to 1. Click OK, and exit registry. Restart your computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.